What's up, YouTube creators here? I was gonna do an unboxing video because I just got a new guitar. As you can see, it's a Solar V1 AA7, something like that, man. I did the unboxing video, but I fucked it up. So I said, you know what? Let me forget that ripping out the box and anything. There's nothing eventful about that. But anyway, let me show you this. You might know before this one, I had a LTD Aero 200 6-string Floyd Rose, Anyway, this is just gonna be a little quick. I guess unboxing. I already seen it, but I haven't played it yet with the app or nothing. So 3 things I wasn't expecting. Well, I guess one of them, I sold my guitar on Tuesday, I think, and I wasn't expecting to sell it that fast, get sold that fast. So I said, you know what? That same day I ordered this guitar, and it came in on Friday that same week. So like 3 days later, and it was from Spain. So I'm kind of surprised that it got here so quick. I was expecting it to take at least 2 weeks, maybe even more. But anyway, I got this. Wow, look at that, beautiful. Another thing I was expecting, it was for it to come in like a hard case. I was hoping to have a hard case. It's quite a more expensive guitar. More top of the line for solar guitars. I think the website said it was like $1,460 or something like that, man. But anyway, so it was like $40 for shipping or whatever. So it's like almost 50. It's like $1,490 at the door when it got shipped from Spain. And I did notice on the fine print it said something like the UPS or whatever, they might charge me more for where it was shipped from Spain, like overseas, so in Texas. So it came out. So they came in on Friday, and they like couldn't deliver it to me because I had to pay $88. So I said, you know what, fucking, I'll pay them. So I paid them all online, like a day later or whatever. So they finally delivered it, whatever. So I don't know, whatever. So now here it is. Like I said, I haven't played it yet, and I got the new amp on it, the blueGuitar amp, iridium 1. I'm gonna get the new cabinet too, maybe a preamp for the cabinet. I actually got my line 6 Spider Mark IV, so I'm trying to get rid of 4x12 with the 150 watt amp. Anyway, here it is. I haven't played it yet. Seems to be in tune. The reason why I bought this is because it's the cheapest. Well, it is the only guitar that has closest to the specs that I would want in my custom guitar. And I'll play it later on. I'm just rambling on. 7-string, like I said, I want a 7-string. I like to stay in tune, but I don't like the Floyd Rose. I liked it when I was messing around with Dimebag still back in the day. I know that I don't dislike Dimebag. I'm just not a Floyd messing with it. Not able to change tuners. So you know what? I'm gonna get the Evertune. Evertune. One of the things I don't really care about. Neck pickup. I don't care about this one. I never use it. Who cares? Also, as far as pickups, I only use this one. The only pickups I really care about are the Marcio, Seymour Duncans, and the Dumbucker. Any sort of Dumbucker. We're just saying then it came with the Fishman. I played with the Fishman before. The only thing I can point out about them is that the clean sound is good, really good. Other than that, as far as distortion sound, I mean, they're not any better or worse than any. Like I said, the Marshall, Seymour Duncan, you name it, G, whatever, 85s. Also, I don't care about the push and pull tone. I don't care about tone. I'd rather just have this Evertune 7 strings, neck through, of course. Yeah, I don't care about that. 24 frets, stainless steel, I was stainless steel frets, 24 jumbo frets. Tuners, who knows what tuners there are, man. It's in tune. It looks like it's set up pretty good. I'm not sure if I want to go any lower than this. Maybe I'll go lower. Who knows? This bridge doesn't look like you can raise it lower anymore. Wood finish, you know, I mean, that's a $1,500 guitar, man. I don't know if I expect more or less. It's spot on. Like I said, I haven't played it yet, and I haven't actually ever played with an Evertune bridge before. So I'm not. Well, I would say I'm excited. I'm not excited to mess with it because I gotta set it up. I think it comes in tune as a standard, you know. I play with several 7 strings. I never owned a 7 string, but my intent to go with this instrument is to play 7 string E tuning, E standard, so it would be B, E, A, D, G, B, E, you know. But I have this top 4 strings. I go skinny top, so I go 10s on the bottom, which I don't quote me, I don't know the 10 size. But it's a 6 string, I got a 52 on the low side. And now I'm going on lower tuning, I'm just having more tension on these, so I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to, because I already got a couple packs of 7 string skinny top heavy bottom strings for this thing, and I'm not sure if this Evertune bridge will be able to allow me to use the highest tension strings for these. I don't know what this 7 string is, but this is like a 46, which in my other guitar was a 52, and then I don't know what that is, like a 30 or something like that. But anyway, these ones are regular gauge, but I'm just hoping I'm able to tune a E standard 7 string, which is B standard, with this skinny top heavy bottom string. So I'm hoping these or have enough adjustment on them to be able to work with my tuning and playing. Why? Because I like a little bit more tension on these. I don't pick necessarily heavy, but I want the precision of having a less movement on the string when I'm chugging or whatever. These, my fingers are weak and small, so 10 gauge more than it's perfect. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna keep it short, man. Like I said, I don't know, man. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm just doing a quick, well, I guess not quick anymore, overview of this thing. I guess it's beautiful, man. Just as me feeling the neck. It's not the thinnest neck I've felt. I've played like one of them Dinkies or Jackson soloists. Yeah, those are pretty thin. Well, no, they're pretty good size. This thing's just a little bit thicker than that, but it's not anywhere as too thick. Not like a Gibson, not like any other stuff like that. And the reason why, before I get too far, the reason why I wanted a 7 string, pretty much is because of Nevermore. I like Nevermore, but I play the Jeff Loomis signature guitar, Jackson 7 strings. I like the Jackson 7 string, but I don't like the Floyd. I don't like the regular bridge because they go out of tune. So I'm hoping this fixes that issue. And just the other 7 strings, they just got the specs I want, you know. Anyway, it's already 8-9 minute video. Anyway, if you stuck around to watch, I'm gonna do like a playthrough video later on, cause it's kind of late. I'm trying out the iridium amp, and I'm hoping to sell this 4x12 line 6 so I can get a Mesa 4x12, maybe a 2x12. Maybe if I like the amp to move some air. I mean the cabinet, so I might go with the 4x12 and just do a preamp on the bottom after the amp, so I can move some air. But we'll see what happens, man. Look at the dog, is excited. You excited for the guitar, little girl? Yeah, the dog is excited for the fucking guitar. Hey, we're gonna make some noise, man. Yeah. Alright, player. We out of here, man. Peace.